Is there going to be a major XRP rally? Does this imply that prices will skyrocket? Is this related to the Ripple vs. SEC controversy? In this video, we'll learn everything there is to know about it. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget that many see the Ripple case as an opportunity for further regulatory clarification in the field. The presiding judge recently extended discovery back 60 days, as requested by the Securities and Exchange Commission, raising concerns, particularly within the XRP community, which has been counting down the days until it's all over. In the past, 96% of all SEC cases were settled before trial, with 60% occurring prior to litigation and 90% occurring during discovery. This truth is merely a clue for what is to come, and anything could happen. The crypto community is rooting for Ripple, and one of its most popular members, attorney Jeremy Hogan, has been expressing his predictions. Mr. Hogan stated in May that if the SEC new chair Gary Gensler withdrew from the case and instead worked for additional regulatory clarity, which would occur until the end of that month. But this did not occur. If we go into June without a resolution, this litigation has been approved and sponsored by Chairman Gensler for better or worse, he said. If such is the case, I do not expect a resolution before September at the earliest. If no settlement is reached and we proceed to summary judgment or trial, I anticipate. Well, I'm not sure do I appear like a mind reader. Mr. Hogan presented his concept in early June on what a settlement between the SEC and Ripple Labs would look like, including potential XRP market harm. Now that the judge has pushed back discovery by 60 days, the lawsuit timeframes have shifted, and Jeremy Hogan's projections have shifted as well. So, I go back to my earlier view that no settlement will happen until the end of discovery, he stated. Is it possible that it will settle before then? Yes, but I don't think it's likely. So, any settlement is likely to occur after the conclusion of fact discovery, which is presently in early September, and even more probable after October 16. What if neither party agrees to a deal? Then I expect Judge Torres will rule on the two primary issues at the summary judgment. Motions are intended to be submitted within 30 days after the end of discovery, which should be November 16, but answers to motions and replies might stretch any summary judgment date much farther into the future. I don't think the matter will be decided at summary judgment until early 2022, maybe January, he said. The two key points raised above are Ripple's fair notice defense and whether or not XRP is a securities. Concerning the fair notice defense, the SEC recently informed the court that a Ripple victory would void the Howey test, which has come under investigation since the introduction of the digital asset class. Ripple has partnered with Rutgers Law School to advocate for reform. A Ripple victory on the fair notice might have a significant impact not only on Ripple and XRP, but also on the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem and potentially partially defund the SEC. Due to the centralized nature of XRP, the SEC has stated that the asset is a security. Ripple, on the other hand, has consistently proposed new use cases for the ledger, which is an indication of utility. In March, the judge released a surprise by conceding to the utility of XRP, which defies the SEC security argument. SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce, often known as Crypto Mom, recently stated the SEC aimed when bringing a lawsuit against a company for an unregistered securities offering. When we consider a crypto asset to be a security, we are implying that it is being sold as part of an investment contract. It does not imply that the asset itself must be a security. It implies that it was sold as security. At the same time, a new competitor, the Algorand-powered 6 Clovers, has emerged, backed by ex-PayPal and Ripple employees. This demonstrates how critical it is for Ripple to end this legal chapter with the SEC. The regulator, on the other hand, is capable of exploiting this sense of impending doom as leverage. Speaking of leverage, let's take a look back at the recent crypto meltdown and the impact of leverage or margin trading in market volatility with a focus on Ripple's XRP. Looking at the past price movement and the previous year's price projection for the XRP, the coin was trading in January 2020 with a market value of 25 cents and a market cap of $9,206,907,569. Later, the Ripple coin gained some traction, and the price of XRP has risen to approximately its resistance level of 25 cents. Until the beginning of March 2020, the Ripple price increased and reached about 150% of its starting price performance, ranging at around 35 cents. However, it did not sustain it and began to fall when, by the end of the quarter, that is March, its price had dropped to 15 cents. However, despite a pandemic breakout over the world, Ripple price regained momentum in April 2020 and set record values, not to be disheartened, and it is still battling quite well to compete with top-ranked cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and so on. And, based on last year's XRP price projection, Ripple cryptocurrency may maintain its position and price range in the short run, making it a strong investment option. All of these XRP price projections indicate that the majority of investors believe Ripple will not reach $10 anytime soon. However, $5 is a reasonable price, and it is possible that this may happen soon. Eventually, the value of $5 will represent a 15x ROI, which is very likely. After gaining access to the SEC internal documents, Ripple experienced a massive price increase and even crossed the $1 barrier. Last year, wallet investing analysts predicted that the XRP price would cross 6 cents before the end of 2021. Nonetheless, it has already surpassed the $1 mark and is on the rise. Recent collaborations and institutional support would have a beneficial impact on Ripple's price perspective. The price of XRP is expected to rise as high as $1.09, with a possible retest of the 60 cents barrier on the downside. Ripple price has received support from some of the investment heavyweights, and the number of partnerships and events with the crypto industry demonstrate that many people believe in the currency. According to recent XRP price predictions and price movement, it may mark a tremendous improvement by the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as Bitcoin and ETH, and cross its previous all-time high price. Looking at a long-term realistic XRP price prediction, Ripple price may increase in 2023 due to several advancements and partnerships in their strategy. The price of Ripple XRP may return to its previous all-time high of $4. According to short and long-term technical analysis from various sources and Ripple price prediction, the cryptocurrency price may be around $5 in 2024, as it was intended to replace most fiat currencies. And if XRP adoption occurs, the coin may cause a bull run and the XRP price may skyrocket in the long term. According to the Ripple price prediction for the long term, XRP has been selected as a bright game for optimism, registering obvious increases with prices between $4 and $8. The most realistic idea, however, is to anticipate a price level in the middle of these ranges. Mass adoption has the potential to make XRP an accessible and convenient digital asset in the future. In the long term, the price may reach a minimum average of $6 in the following 5 years. Ripple is a superior investment opportunity because the token has suffered minimal losses in comparison to big crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum during the current bear market. Ripple has been notable for its RippleNet technology, which is a bank-to-bank transfer system that enables the key highlight of cross-border transfer. The same rationale may perform a lot of good for the coin XRP to accomplish a lot of many gains on the exchange. As the alliances and partnerships continue to expand into new countries, much more may be expected from Ripple in the coming years. Do you own any XRP? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. If you want to learn more about XRP, there are 2 more videos on the end screen for you to watch. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for viewing, and I'll see you in the future video. Before you go, please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change rapidly. So by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. This video's material does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not treat it as such. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investment decisions, complete your own due diligence and talk with your financial advisor.